Hello friends, I hope you're all doing great. We're here with a tutorial on how to find your account on the Paxful Exchange using the TRC20 Tether method. In previous tutorials, you saw how to register and verify your identity on this exchange, and now we're going to fund the account. To do this, click on the wallet option on this page. Now, on the new page, you'll see various assets displayed. In the USDT token section, select the Receive option and set the network to Tron Network. The destination address will be displayed to you. Open your own wallet app on your mobile phone. Select the desired currency, which is Tether on the Tron network, and click on Send. In the first field, enter the destination address, and in the second field, enter the amount you want to deposit. Or you can easily complete the deposit by selecting this option and scanning the QR code. On the next page, the sender address, recipient address, transaction fee, and total amount will be displayed to you. After clicking on Confirm and entering your password, the payment will be processed. After completing the deposit, on this page you can click on the More Details option to view more details about your transaction on the TronSkin website. Return to the exchange page. After a few minutes, you will be able to see the added balance in your account, and to view the details of this transaction, you can scroll down on this same page and see the transaction details. This was the tutorial on how to find your account on Paxful Exchange using the TRC20 Tether method. Stay with us for more tutorials. Goodbye.